welcome. This is Junk Dump, and we're in the shop with a 1972 Oldsmobile 350. We're going to get this thing cleaned up so that we can do a rebuild on a small block this time. This is an engine that's been sitting around the shop forever. I had this engine running in a car back in the 90s, and, well, it's time. This thing has been a workhorse forever. I have been stealing parts off from it to mask for painting and such. You can obviously tell. So it's time for it to get its own rebuild. And that should be clean enough to work with. As you can see, it's missing a water pump. I'm sure I stole that for something else. It's got the 7A heads from a 1972. Those are decent. They're not the best flowing heads, but they're decent. And then the block is also a 1972 block. You can see 395558 there.